Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to see deactivated Instagram accounts. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile, where you'll see your posts, followers, following, and more. To check for deactivated accounts among your followers, tap on the Followers section to the right of your profile picture. Here, you'll see a list of everyone who follows you. Under the Categories section, you'll find options like Deactivated Accounts and Creators. Tap on Deactivated Accounts. Now, you'll see a list of followers whose accounts have been deactivated. From here, you can choose to remove these accounts from your followers list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.